sunny day here in the lovely Cocoa Beach, Florida. I'm standing here at a gorgeous 1-bedroom, 1-bath condo. You can see hands-free. I'm not holding the phone this time. I have my phenomenal photographer Ted doing the holding of the camera. We are directly at the ocean. You can see behind me from this balcony. You just take a few steps over, you go down the quick little walkway, and you are on the ocean for $165,000. I don't know where you're gonna get a remodeled condo at the beach on the ocean for $165,000. So why don't we go on in? Come with me. We're gonna come through the front door, and immediately as you enter, we're going to be looking at the full 1-bathroom. The tub has been refinished, brand new tile, brand new fixtures, really, really nice. New flooring down below. And you can see how nice that wood grain ceramic tile is that then turns into the wood floors that go throughout the wood laminate. Now as we go this way, we are now in the 1-bedroom. Nice light. Oh, let me get out of the way. Stop looking at me and look at the room. Yeah, I want to show you the 1-bedroom. Has a fan, a ceiling fan, nice closet space, good open space. Beautiful window, room for a king-size bed and some furniture. We're going to take a walk down the hallway and we're going to come to the utility closet. Lots of great storage space. One of the things we run into is not enough storage in these condos. This has nice storage. You can put your beach chairs, bicycle, washer, dryer, hot water tank. Linen closet here. Over here we have this beautiful brand new remodeled kitchen. I want to point out to you, granite countertops, beautiful backsplash, high-end wood cabinetry. You can see it's not the Chinese cabinets, it's the actual wood cabinets. Gorgeous deep, deep sink, dishwasher, new appliances galore. You have the stove, the microwave, really nice hardware, beautiful stainless steel refrigerator. And as we come through, we are now in the sunroom. And the sunroom is awesome. When you look through here, and I'm going to give you an example, I'm going to show you if you can see it through the sunlight, you actually have, if you can go this way, Ted, show them the gorgeous ocean views from the windows, which is spectacular. Tile flooring here. You have an option up here where you can actually hang some curtains, make it possible for someone to enclose it, make it another bedroom if you really wanted to, or leave it open for a sitting room. We're gonna go this way, and this is the living room. It's big. I know it doesn't always show great on Facebook Live, but it's a lot of wall space. There's plenty of room for decent sized sofas, some chairs, a bigger TV. And so, this place is coming on the market today. Ted did phenomenal photos. I can't wait to get them up. But this condo will be listed today, so coming soon and within a few hours. And I gotta tell you, $165,275 a month for HOA to live on the ocean. So I don't want you to miss out. If you're a buyer, you're an agent who has buyers, you're an agent who wants to be at the beach, you're a buyer who wants to be at the beach, call me, call your agent, call somebody so you don't miss out on this deal. This is Karina Manager with Keller Williams. Have a fabulous day.